If you want a home with income potential, this Kentucky property has a full basement living area, offering a rare combination of space, flexibility, and country living on over 5 acres in Lewisport. As you arrive at 575 Hilldale Road, you're welcomed by a peaceful rural setting with a circular driveway and wide open land surrounding the home. The property sits on over 5 acres, giving you plenty of space for outdoor living, gardening, recreation, or future improvements. The home offers approximately 2,468 square feet of living space, with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, designed in a split living layout that effectively creates 2 separate living units under one roof. On the main level, you'll find a bedroom, kitchen, half bathroom, and access to a spacious back deck overlooking the quiet countryside. This level has a simple, functional layout that works well as the primary living space. The lower level is where the property truly stands out. It features its own full kitchen, full bathroom, additional bedrooms, and a private exterior entrance. This setup creates a complete second living space, making it ideal for extended family, guests, or potential rental income. With 2 kitchens and separate entrances, the home offers flexibility that is hard to find in rural properties at this price point. Outside, the property includes a double-car garage, providing secure parking and extra storage for vehicles, tools, or equipment. The circular driveway adds convenience and makes it easy for multiple vehicles or visitors. The land itself is one of the strongest features, with over 5 acres of usable space that can support outdoor projects, small-scale farming, or simply open country enjoyment. The setting is quiet, private, and full of potential. While the home does require underfloor repairs, it presents a strong opportunity for buyers